Dear viewer, Satya Statistics Concepts welcomes you. Hi, myself Satish Kumar. In previous tutorial, Basic Statistics Part 1, I explained briefly about concepts of basic statistics with real-world examples, its applications or usages in various sectors, case study about traffic prediction by maps, and quiz as an activity for viewers. If you have not yet watched the tutorial, kindly watch using the link provided below or in description or by clicking the link appears in end screen of this tutorial. In this Basic Statistics Part 2 tutorial, I explain role of statisticians to improve quality of data with design of experiments and survey sampling. This includes practical examples of how a statistician designs an experiment in medical trial and how design of experiments is utilized to optimize crop yields and using resources efficiently in agriculture. Case study about optimizing irrigation techniques for water use efficiency, survey sampling with an example of election forecast and real-time applications. Recap of Basic Statistics Part 2, Viewer Engagement Quiz as an activity for viewers, and preview of upcoming tutorial Basic Statistics Part 3. Role of statisticians. Statisticians play a crucial role in ensuring the data used for analysis is reliable and valid through design of experiments and survey sampling. First is design of experiments. This method involves creating or structuring a detailed plan for collecting data to answer a specific research question. A well-designed experiment ensures that the results are not influenced by confounding factors, also called as uncontrolled variables or extraneous variables or hidden variables, and that any observed effects are truly due to the variable being studied. Example 1. In medical trial, a statistician designs an experiment to ensure the treatment group receiving a new drug and control group receiving a placebo or inactive substance are comparable, allowing for a valid comparison. Example 2. In agriculture, design of experiments is utilized to optimize crop yields and using resources efficiently. Researchers have used design of experiments to evaluate the effects of different fertilizer formulations on crop yield. By varying factors like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium concentrations, they identified optimal combination of nutrients that maximized yield while minimizing fertilizer usage. Design of experiments can also assess the impact of irrigation techniques on water use efficiency. By manipulating factors such as irrigation frequency, duration, and water application rates, experiments revealed optimal practices for improved water use efficiency without compromising crop yield. Case study about optimizing irrigation techniques for water use efficiency. A pot experiment was designed using design of experiments principles to study effect of different irrigation methods and water application amounts on sugarcane yield in waterlogged saline vertisols. Vertisols is a challenging soil type characterized by a combination of waterlogging and high salinity. Subsurface drip irrigation at a specific water application level proved most effective in leaching salts, maintaining moisture content, maximizing cane yield, and water productivity. Above image illustrates subsurface drip irrigation in a sugarcane field, which is particularly relevant to this case study. This is an innovative approach of delivering water directly to root zone of crops by burying a drip line below the soil surface. This method dramatically increases water use efficiency by minimizing evaporation and runoff, leading to improved crop yields, especially in water intensive crops like sugarcane. By allowing researchers and farmers to systematically investigate different factors and their interactions, design of experiments facilitates data-driven decision making, leading to improved crop yields, enhanced resource management, and more sustainable agricultural practices. Second is survey sampling. It is the process of selecting a small representative group from a large population to get accurate information without contacting every individual under study. It's often difficult or impossible to collect data from an entire population, so statisticians use sampling techniques to select a representative subgroup. Proper sampling ensures that the data collected from samples can be accurately generalized to larger population. For example, before election, polling prediction companies cannot ask every voter in the nation to whom they will vote for. Instead, they use various sampling methods to survey a smaller group of people, making sure the sample's demographics like age, gender, location, etc., and opinions accurately reflects the national population. Results from these samples are then used to predict overall election outcomes. Its real-time applications are news agencies use this survey sampling to predict election results, marketing teams use it to gauge customer interest in a new product, government use it for censuses and economic surveys. Finally, let's recap this tutorial basic statistics part 2. Till now we discussed about role of statisticians to improve quality of data with design of experiments and survey sampling. Example 1 explained how a statistician designs an experiment in medical trial. Example 2 explained how design of experiments is utilized to optimize crop yields and using resources efficiently in agriculture. Case study about optimizing irrigation techniques for water use efficiency. Survey sampling with an example of election forecast and real-time applications. Now let's have a viewer engagement quiz. Quiz 1. Which of the below two statistical methods are used by statisticians to improve quality of data? Option A, survey method and experimental method. Option B, design of experiments and survey sampling. Option C, primary data and secondary data. Option D, types of data and processing of data. The right answer is option B, design of experiments and survey sampling. Quiz 2. Selecting a small representative group from a large population is option A, secondary method. Option B, survey sampling. Option C, experimental method. Option D, observational method. The right answer is option B, survey sampling. Quiz 3. A pharmaceutical company uses blank to test a new drug. Option A, experimental method. Option B, survey sampling. Option C, design of experiments. Option D, processing of data. The right answer is option C, design of experiments. Kindly watch our upcoming tutorial Basic Statistics Part 3, which covers below mentioned topics. Collection of data through survey method and experimental method, types of data which are primary data and secondary data. For statistical analysis consultancy services and training, contact my email ID and mobile number. If you feel this tutorial useful, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe and support to get more tutorials. Also watch other uploaded and upcoming statistics concepts tutorials in this channel. Let's meet in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.